Well, what happens when you challenge the Saskatoon police to a lip sync challenge? Well, they bring it. The police service posted a Facebook video of its members tackling the Backstreet Boys' popular 90s jam, I Want It That Way. Check it out.
We are two worlds apart. Can't reach to your heart.
Well, for more on this story that certainly has our newsroom talking, we are joined by one of the officers involved in making this lip sync video, Randy Huisman, an inspector with the Saskatoon Police Service. He joins me from Saskatoon today. Welcome, Randy.
Good afternoon.
You could have another career at hand here. So tell me, what inspired this incredible video?
Well, actually, earlier this summer, there was a whole bunch of United States Police Services doing lip sync challenges, which were very interesting and funny to watch. And two of our frontline officers, Constable Bray and Constable Walker, approached our public affairs section saying they wanted to do one, and even brought up the fact they wanted to do I Want It That Way.
Is this a favorite song among all of you? Why particularly this song?
It's just a catchy tune, and they actually came up with the idea regarding the theft of a donut, and worked with our public affairs and our social media department, and came up with a fantastic video.
So how long did it take to put all of this together, and how many people were involved?
There was probably about 50 officers and civilian staff involved. I would say that it took maybe 2 weeks to put this all together. We had very small budget to work with. A lot of officers came in on their weekly leave and annual leave and lunch breaks to do the video takes, and then we had assistance from a videographer from SickPics.
I'm sorry, I'm just watching the video and I'm totally falling in love with it. What has the reaction been like from the community?
It's unbelievable. I couldn't believe how much it took off on social media. It's reached like 3.8 million people, I think, so far. And that continues to grow. We've had 1.7 million views on our Facebook page and 1.1 million engagements. So definitely showing a lot of community watching our video.
Well, I have to say, hats off, well done. I think you guys are my new favorite group. Inspector Randy Huisman with the Saskatoon Police, thank you very much. Thanks for doing it your way.
Thank you.